Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the Pundi X live price changes occur in the previous last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. As you can see now, let's see the live price prediction of Pundi X. What change occur in the price of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour? As you can see now, first of all, if we see the chart analysis of Pundi X, so it's clearly fast down very badly, but don't worry, currently they are jumping upward. As you can see now, at this point they are jumping upward. Now the changes of the Pundi X is negative 0.28% occur in the last 1 hour in the Pundi X, as you can see here. Then the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour is $0.007865 is the last 1 hour high price of Pundi X at this period. Now the current price of Pundi X is $0.00784 is the current price of Pundi X in the last 1 hour you are watching now. That is the live price changes occur in the last 1 hour you are watching now. Let's see what changes occur in the previous last 2 hour. What's the price changes in the previous last 2 hour? Oh my god, as you can see now on the graph of Pundi X, it's continuously fast down. As you can see here, it's a bad time of all Pundi holders. As you can see here, the change is also in negative 0.61% occur in Pundi X in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Pundi X in this time is $0.007887 is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 2 hour. So that's the live price changes occur in Pundi X. The currently their falling starts from this period. As you can see here, the previous 2 hour they fast down, continuously fast down, as you can see now on the graph. So what's your opinion about Pundi X? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about Pundi X. Thank you so much for watching.